Hello, welcome back to the channel. We continue to review the Understanding Construction Drawings textbook. This video is about Unit 34, and that's Orienting the Drawings. Unit 34 is the first chapter of Part 3, and Part 3 is Multifamily Construction Urban Courts. So in Unit 34, we'll see how the information can be found on a typical cover sheet. Then we'll locate a particular building or plan within a large development and visualize a building design by reading the drawings. So let's start with the organization of the drawings. The drawings for a single or multifamily dwelling include many sheets. Some of the drawings are produced by the architect or the architect's drafters. Some may be produced by an engineer's office, and others by a specialty contractor, such as fire protection, plumbing, and so on. So when you go through the entire set, every time you need information from a particular drawing, that will take time and will be confusing if you don't know where to find the information. So architects follow this pattern in organizing the drawings, and the general order of drawn sheets is similar to that of specifications. Side plans are first, then foundation and floor plans, then building elevations, structural, mechanical, electrical, and so on. The cover sheet usually includes an index or table of contents for the drawing set, and the drawing set is usually it depends on the project. It does not have to include all of the disciplines and all of the sheets if that is a smaller project. So some of the listings may be encircled with a scalloped line, and that means that they were modified after the original drawings were produced. So there's like a bubble, like the cloud around them. So a small numbered triangle matches numbered triangles found on the title block of the drawing, and that is the revisions. So you can find that easily. Also, some of the useful information shown on the cover sheet is the symbol legend, graphic legend, a list of abbreviations, project team. So this is where you can find all the emails and phone numbers of all the people who participated in the project, as well as the project stakeholders, such as the owner, and also you can find the authority having jurisdiction information there too. When we identify buildings and plans, so multifamily dwellings are often built in large developments with many similar buildings in a single development, and some developments are completed in phases. One phase is completely constructed and begins earning income for the developer before the next stage is started. So here, please refer back to the textbook. You can see all the details. You can see the site plans, you can see the floor plans, and all other details. So, and you can see that each plan is identified by a letter or a letter and numeral. And the term plan is used to refer to a particular arrangement of rooms or design. And this should not be confused with the use of plan to refer to a type of drawings. So also, one technique that is used to create similar yet different plans is to reverse them, just to mirror them. The reverse plan or the mirrored plan has the same features and the same dimensions, but the arrangement is reversed. So this is designated just to create a different vision for the people who enter the house and see it, but it looks completely different. But because some people cannot really locate themselves and see that actually it's the same plan but mirrored. So when we visualize the plan, the first step in becoming familiar with any plan should be to mentally walk through the plan. This technique is actually very helpful. And when you enter through the front door, you need to understand where all the spaces are located. There are some programs like immersive experience programs where a large projector projects the floor plan and the like large warehouse, and you can physically enter, and that will be to scale. But for us, when we just see the drawings, we just need to imagine that we walk through that and what we can see. Um, also, it is important to understand the height, like the ceiling height, just because it is a different experience if it's exposed to the second floor or like there's a larger atrium. So it's always good to understand the ceiling height when you try to visualize the plan. So that was it for our unit 34. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in unit 35.